Hello and welcome to my channel. I'd like to say thanks to all my viewers for spending time to watch my video. I really appreciate it. Today's turning is a large Hornbeam Burl. I plan to turn it into a ball. This is actually my first time I'm turning a burl. I was so lucky to find a new wood pusher, and he had 5 burls just lying on the floor in the barn. And the wood turner he saved them for didn't come and pick them up, and they have just been lying there for 2 years. So that was a pretty lucky find. I'm just chipping off some bark so I can get a better grip with the tailstock. I'm using my 5H bolt gouge just to round it off and get the bark off. And running around 600 RPM. When roughing this bowl, I was trying to get the least amount of wood off because I wanted to keep the bowl as large as possible. But still I needed to get under the bark to get the nice grain showing. I'm just using pull cuts to rough out and shape the bowl. I changed to my half-inch bolt gouge to start establishing a tenon on the bowl. I changed to my diamond parting tool to finish off the tenon and getting ready for turning around and following out the bowl. As a good rule when drying rough turn bowls, you need to make the wall thickness 10% of the diameter of the bowl. To reduce cracking when drying out the bowl, you can also use wood sealer to slow down the drying process and thereby reduce the cracking further. But nothing is 100%. You can do alright and still get large cracks. I really didn't want to have cracks in this bowl, so I gave it a lot of wood sealer all the way, end grain, side grain, all the way around. I use Hydro Wax C to seal my wood for the most part, or I use carpenter glue mixed with water, half and half. Now there's only left to put it in the kiln and wait for the result. It takes 3 to 4 weeks to reach the desired moisture content of 10%. The bowl has dried up and it's time to get the bowl round again. I still want to take as little off as possible so I can end up with as large a bowl as possible. And to do this I'm using a freshly sharpened ball gouge, the 30mm ball gouge. I think if I have to choose just one tool I would ever be able to use, it will be this 13mm or 1/2 inch ball gouge. It's doing most of the work in most of my projects. I turned the bowl around and trying to get down to around 3/8 of an inch wall thickness. And I decided to make a flat rim without any curves on the top. There was a couple of cracks forming and I put in some thin CA to stop them go any further. I used a paper towel so I didn't have any drips going down to the bowl itself. Just doing the last cuts so I can get a uniform wall thickness throughout the bowl. the end I used the Negativ brake scraper to remove some tool marks before sanding. I sanded the whole project from grit 120 to 400, then I washed it off with a little denatured alcohol and used Microfine abrasive paste. After polishing off the abrasive paste, I was actually happy with the surface and the shine of the bowl, and decided to not do any more. My plan is to upload at least one video a week, and if works and life permits, I will try and do more. Please subscribe, like and hit the notification bell below, and please comment in the comment section and tell me what you think about the turning. That will greatly help my channel to grow. Thank you all very much for watching my video. Have a nice day and stay safe out there.